Hey guys, all right, week 12. We have chapter 10 lecture to go through. If you remember last week, we did chapter 9, which was on the cell cycle and mitosis, so just how our cells reproduce. Chapter 10 goes along really well with that. It's meiosis, which is how we produce sex cells, so sperm cells and egg cells. A lot of those steps are going to be really similar though, so make sure you're familiar with chapter 9. If you didn't watch that last week, watch that first, and then this one goes along really well with that. You've got a review quiz on chapter 10 due Sunday, November 8th. All right. The labs that we have this week, same as always. Monday is going to be group A, Wednesday is group B. Make sure you're here though, because I'm going to go through some of the things like that we have coming up. We actually only have a very few class meetings left this week. We don't have a lab next week. And then lab 9 is going to be the following week. That's the last time we get to meet because all of our in-person meetings have to be done before Thanksgiving break. So make sure you're here. I'm going to go through a lot of stuff that's coming up. Make sure everyone understands like how you're doing in the class and what you need to do if you have any questions. The lab that we're going to do is pretty short, so that's the good news, but you do need to be here to get credit for that also. But more importantly, we're going to talk about, just like I said, kind of end of the semester stuff to make sure we all know what's going to happen. All right. So that's it. If you have any questions or if you need any help, please let me know.